The Bible begins in a strange way. Not with answers, not with rules, not with people, but with darkness, formlessness, chaos. Which is interesting, because that's exactly where most human lives begin. Genesis opens with the world described as without form and void. Not evil, not broken, just unorganized. And before anything good happens, before life, before meaning, before beauty, one thing happens again and again. Separation, light from darkness, land from sea, order from chaos. Creation doesn't start with happiness. It starts with clarity. Think about your life for a second. A messy room, a cluttered schedule, a phone full of notifications, no routines, no boundaries. People say, "I just want to be happy." But happiness doesn't survive chaos. What you actually want is order. Genesis doesn't say, "Let there be joy." It says, "Let there be light." Light means you can see. Here's what most people miss. God doesn't eliminate chaos. He organizes it. Chaos isn't evil, it's potential. But unmanaged potential turns destructive. That's why your anxiety spikes when your life lacks structure. That's why meaning disappears when responsibility is avoided. This story isn't ancient. It's painfully current. Genesis quietly suggests something most people hate hearing. Your life feels overwhelming not because you're broken, but because you're avoiding responsibility. Chaos doesn't leave on its own. It gets organized, or it takes over. If your life feels out of control, don't aim for happiness. Aim for order. Clean one space, set one boundary. Tell one truth you've been avoiding. That's biblical creation. Right now. Genesis isn't a science textbook. It's a map. And this is only page 1.